Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to understand what is side inputs and how to use it. First of all, what is side inputs? We know how to use the user defined function, right? This is a simple function that will, find return the value if it is greater than 200, right? And this is the function which I am using it in my one of the transformation called combine per key. We already seen how combine per key works, all those things, right? And we already know when we are calling any user defined function, we need not to pass the parameters, right? This function is expecting the parameter element, right? But if you see here, we are not passing it, right? As we discussed in our previous videos, this will be automatically taken care by Apache Beam. But I want to send the additional parameters. How can I do it? And that's called side inputs. Side inputs is nothing but passing the additional parameters other than your actual data, right? In our case, it's a P collection, right? So it's very straightforward. So now instead of hard coding this 200, I want to send it dynamically, right? Maybe I'll say comma max val, right? I'll replace it here. It's just that simple. Say comma 200. That's it, right? Typically, if you want to call this function separately, how we do it? We'll say max function, and we'll pass the element values and then the max, value, right? But if you see here, we are not passing the element values, right? That will be taken care by Apache Beam, as I said. Now, let me run this. Done this. Yeah, we got the output, right? Maybe now instead of 200, let me say 100, right? First three we got zero zeros, and see now how it works. Did you see? Now there are no zeros because all the values are greater than 100, right? So hope you understand the benefits of side inputs, because side inputs are something that we use commonly in Apache Beam. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.